Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a Bible Gateway account. Open the website BibleGateway.com, then click Login/Sign Up. On the pop-up window that will appear, you will see a Sign Up tab. Click on Sign Up. Now, enter your first name and last name, then the email and password you wish to use. Next, read the terms of use. Once read, click on the tick box beside I agree to the terms of use. Then if you want to receive email communications from Bible Gateway, click on the tick box beside I agree to receive email communications from Bible Gateway. After that, click on Sign Up. And now your account has been created. That's how you create a Bible Gateway account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.